Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the bale density on a NewHolland round baler and the steps and processes to get that done. If you look in your manual, if you got one, on page 5-12, it'll show you how to do it. So you can check your pressure with no bale in there just by opening the tailgate. And this is a BR7060, and here's the recommended pressures for different crops. So I'm going to go with 2000 psi for our bale density. And if you read down here, it says adjust the pressure toward the low side according to the table above. You can change the pressure, lower the tailgate, and then there's a knob back here. You turn it clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. So this baler was baling at 1100, and we're going to go from 1100 to 2000. So I'm going to come back here, and it's got this jam nut. You're going to tap it loose, and then this is how you adjust it. So counterclockwise to lessen it, and then clockwise to tighten it. And I did, from 1100, I did about 1.5 turns, and it moved it all the way up to a little over 1500. So it doesn't take a whole lot. So now I'm going to turn it just a little bit more because it wasn't quite to 2000. And then I'm going to go on the tractor, lift the tailgate, and check it again. So you come up here, check, make sure your gauge is at 0. So I'm going to open tailgate, and watch that gauge jump up there. Now I'm going to come back and check it again. So yeah, it's about almost there. I'll do maybe a quarter of a turn more and check it one more time. That might be a little too much, but we'll see. Yeah, too much. It's right about 1850, so I'm going to go with it for right there. And we'll bale some bales and see how much more tighter they are compared to the other ones. So I'm going to let this back down, tighten the jam nut, and we'll go with it from there.